Welcome to a world of possibilities with a free lifetime membership. Unlock exclusive benefits like real human traffic to your websites, unlimited subscribers with our list manager, and 10 hosted pages with our page builder. Take advantage of our pop-up creator, link tracker with 199 trackers, and 5 easy ways to make money. But that's not all. There's more to discover. Click the link to find out. Join over 171.4K satisfied members who have experienced real results. Explore 300+ testimonials that showcase the power of LeadsLeap in transforming businesses. Discover how LeadsLeap works and why it's the go-to marketing platform for internet marketers. Get insights into our system and how it can benefit you. Have questions? We've got answers. Learn about the free services we offer, how to get started without a business, and the newbie-friendly features of LeadsLeap. Upgrade to a pro membership for exclusive benefits like 24/7 ad display, unlimited lists, pages, and pop-ups. Explore advanced features in the member area. Experience our comprehensive support system with side-by-side tutorials and direct access to Kenneth Ko, the founder of LeadsLeap. Your success is our priority. Ready to see the difference? Click the link and embark on a journey of growth and success with LeadsLeap. Your future starts now.